Welcome to the University of Tennessee Institute of Agriculture. We're a proud organization with a rich history and exciting future. The UT Institute of Agriculture includes 4 units: UT Extension, UT Ag Research, the Herbert College of Agriculture, and the College of Veterinary Medicine. UT Extension is the University of Tennessee in your hometown and the outreach unit of UTIA. We have offices in all 95 counties, along with 3 regional offices, 4 4-H camps, and more than 700 dedicated specialist agents and staff. UT Extension does work in 4 major areas: agriculture and natural resources, family and consumer sciences, 4-H youth development, and community economic development. For instance, the Master Beef Program helps Tennessee cattle owners like this Claiborne County producer stay profitable with assistance in herd management and marketing for our state's top ag commodity. Extension agents are a tremendous asset to row crop farmers, delivering information on seed varieties, herbicides and pesticides, and soil fertility. On this Henderson County farm, agents conduct spatial analysis work to determine if the land can be more productive. This is UT Extension's Soil Plan and Pest Center at the Ellington Ag Center in Nashville, where landowners can send soil samples for analysis. UT Extension also works with thousands of volunteer master gardeners across the state, and they donate hundreds of thousands of hours of service. For instance, in Greenville, these gardeners work to restore an old African American cemetery, once covered in brush and debris, but now a place of beauty. Another area where UT Extension provides information is through Family and Consumer Sciences, or FCS for short. FCS programs help all people in Tennessee in their personal finances, health, and family relationships. Here, Wilson County agents work with people who suffer from chronic health problems. And in Dyer County, people learn to control type 2 diabetes through this exercise program. In Lincoln County, young people learn the realities of living on a budget in a program called On My Own. This program has reached hundreds of thousands of Tennessee high school students. And single moms and dads here in Haywood County and statewide participate in a program called Parenting Apart, where divorced adults learn how they must still work together to raise their children. UT Extension's work with Tennessee youth statewide is especially evident with 4-H, the state's largest youth development program. Head, heart, hands, and health. 4-H teaches youth citizenship and life skills, encourages community involvement, and helps young people to become caring adults and effective leaders. More than 300,000 youngsters across the state are involved in 4-H with club meetings, events like 4-H Congress and Roundup, and state judging competitions. In addition, the Institute of Agriculture and 4-H operate 3 beautiful camps: Columbia, Crossville, and Greenville. Lone Oaks Farm will soon be a 4th location, which will include STEM education for students in West Tennessee. UT Extension is truly the front porch of the Institute and the university, proudly representing both in every community of Tennessee. UT Ag Research is making life-changing discoveries for people in Tennessee and worldwide. As part of our strong statewide presence for the Institute of Agriculture, there are research and education centers stretching across the state. These centers are outdoor laboratories for faculty and specialized staff, dedicated to providing the latest research to assist Tennessee agriculture, forestry, and its green industry. UT Ag Research and the Institute, working with the UT Research Foundation, has received numerous patents for scientific discovery and products. Among those are new varieties of dogwoods and ways to protect the health of our dairy and beef cattle. Ag Research's Little River unit in Blount County includes work for Tennessee's dairy industry. Ag Researchers work across the state to produce better quality soybean varieties for farmers, as well as other notable row crops such as corn and cotton. There's also vegetable and fruit production at many of the Ag Research centers. UT Ag Research includes the UT Arboretum in Oak Ridge, where some 2,500 different tree and plant varieties are studied. And the UT Gardens in Knoxville, Crossville, and Jackson are designated as the State Botanical Garden of Tennessee. Here's some of the most creative horticultural specialists in the nation work in one beautiful outdoor science lab to help Tennessee's green industry. UT AgResearch hosts field days each year in all parts of the state, inviting the public to meet and talk to our experts on a variety of topics. Speaking of field days, Gibson County is the site of the largest event dedicated to no-till agriculture in the Southeast. The Milan No-Till Field Day draws thousands of producers from several states and visitors from other countries to learn the latest from AgResearch about this now accepted method of farming, which boosts yields and conserves our precious topsoil. At the East Tennessee Center in Knoxville, turfgrass specialists do work to develop improved grasses for the development of safer sports fields and beautiful golf courses worldwide. UT AgResearch is just another way the Institute impacts the lives of Tennesseans, with work in production agriculture and cutting-edge science going all across the state. Then there is the academic side of the Institute of Agriculture, the Herbert College of Agriculture, and the College of Veterinary Medicine. Let's first take a look at the students and programs of the Herbert College, named after UT alumni Jim and Judy Herbert. We are training tomorrow's animal, plant, food, and environmental scientists, horticultural and wildlife experts, and ag economists and engineers, as well as several other academic disciplines. In fact, the Herbert College offers 10 different majors and 35 different academic programs, including bachelor's and graduate degrees. More than 1/3 of Herbert alumni go on to graduate school. There are more than 200 careers related to agriculture, and with a growing world population of people to feed, that's likely to increase. Internships are a vital part of a Herbert student's academic training. This student did an internship in Hawaii and studied how to increase corn yields there. The student later landed a job on the island with the company. These students get a look at an experimental wheat crop grown on an Institute of Agriculture farm. And these students in a climatology class help clean up the Tennessee River in downtown Knoxville by removing trash and debris. The Herbert College partners with AgResearch in this organic unit that was ranked among the top 6 in the nation for teaching students how to grow crops that meet USDA standards. Finally, if a student has a great academic experience, it takes a talented faculty to make it happen. We have more than 100 professors who often take their own research efforts and turn those into teachable experiences for their students. UT is a huge university, but the Herbert College offers students small classes and individual attention, and students are able to meet often with helpful advisors as they navigate their way to a degree. Finally, the Herbert faculty and administration is dedicated to seeing our students succeed and awards more than $1 million annually in scholarships. The UT College of Veterinary Medicine is another proud unit of the Institute of Agriculture. CVM was established some 4 decades ago to train tomorrow's veterinarians. The college's mission is to provide opportunities for students to learn while serving pet and livestock owners, protecting public health, enhancing medical knowledge, and generating economic benefits to the state and nation. First, it takes a talented group of professionals, and CVM has more than 100 faculty members and 250 people on staff. Each year, CVM admits an elite class from more than 1,000 applicants. The students study in both large and small animal clinical sciences, as well as surgical techniques and reproductive health. CVM also has more than 2,000 alumni, and roughly half of all the practicing veterinarians in Tennessee are graduates of this program. The bottom line for CVM is the health of our animal friends, and veterinarians, here along with students and staff, have treated more than 1 million animals since the hospital opened. CVM also hosts a number of outstanding community service outreach programs. This gentleman is a volunteer with HABIT, which stands for Human-Animal Bond in Tennessee. He's a Korean War veteran and takes his German Shepherd to an assisted living home for fellow veterans, where they delight in interacting with a friendly dog. The Equine and Farm Animal Hospital includes physical as well as hyperbaric therapy units, treating hundreds of horses each year. CVM offers world-class instruction for students, exciting research opportunities for faculty and staff, and the top medical care possible for our animal friends. Finally, all 4 of our units have an impact around the world, working in countries like Croatia, Thailand, South Africa, Australia, Jamaica, and China. This effort has been enhanced by the establishment of the Donald and Terry Smith Endowed Chair for International Sustainable Agriculture. As you can see, the impact and mission of the UT Institute of Agriculture extends well beyond the Knoxville Agriculture campus. What really makes our organization great is our people, nearly 2,500 strong, and we're excited you're part of our growing team. Welcome, and thank you for the work you do.